Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with immediate action. Make sure your geophone is on, connected to data or Wi-Fi, and charged. Once done, update the browser or Google app from the store if an update icon appears. This avoids compatibility errors. Now open the browser or Google icon from the main menu and navigate to Accounts. Google. You're not waiting, you're starting. Use the dial pad to type the address carefully. OS keyboards can autocorrect oddly, so confirm each character before hitting go. You now enter your Google email and password. The OS keyboard needs patience, so type slowly and verify with the show toggle when available. Once credentials are accepted, Google may prompt for two-step verification. Choose SMS verification to the number tied to your account if you want the simplest path. If you use an authenticator, make sure you have the backup codes accessible. After entering the code, select Stay Signed In only if this is your personal device, then tap Next to proceed. Finish by granting required permissions and choosing sync settings. Pick Minimal Sync to save data if needed. If sign-in fails, make sure phone date and time are correct, because mismatched time blocks authentication. Clear the browser cache and cookies, then retry. Switching from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi network often resolves verification errors. If you're locked out, use account recovery with your backup email or codes. This single troubleshooting tip usually solves most problems without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.